Guys, Assalamualaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Today I'm going to explain how to transfer money from your bank account. How to make a bank transfer. There are a number of ways you can make a bank transfer. Some of the most common bank transfer methods are online bank transfers. Log into your online account and select the option for making a payment. Follow the instructions on screen to enter the correct details. Some banks also offer smartphone apps that allow you to transfer money. Find out how to set up an online account in our guide. How to stay safe when using online banking. Telephone transfers. Call your bank's telephone banking service. The bank's customer services representative will guide you through the process. In some cases, you might be guided through by an automated recording. In branch bank transfers, if you have the money in cash, you can pay it into the account of person you owe it into a branch. What details do you need to transfer money? However you choose to transfer money, you will usually need the following details of person or organizations you are paying, the date you want the payment to be made, name of the person or business you are paying, 6-digit sort code of account you are paying, 8-digit account number of account you are paying, payment reference to let them know the money came from you. Sometimes you will need the name and address of the bank you are sending the money to. This helps them to check that sort code is right. How long does it take for the money to be transferred? Payments made using faster payments. It will sometimes be received immediately after leaving your account but can take up to 2 hours. This option is free, available 24 hours a day and typically used in online banking, mobile apps, over the phone or in branch. Most banks let you transfer at least 10,000 euros, but some have much higher limits. You can check your bank's limit on the Faster Payments website. You could also use BACS payments. These take up to 3 working days to clear. Find out more on the UK Finance website. CHAPS Clearing House Automated Payment System. Payments will go through on the same day as long as the transfer is made by a certain time. CHAPS payments often charge a fee. Find out more on the Bank of England website. E-payments. You can use providers such as PayPal or Google Pay to send money online. If you are uncomfortable sharing your bank details, find out more in your guide. E-payments, why, when, and how to use them. What does confirmation of pay mean? This is a new scheme offered by most high street and online banking to give you more protection when sending money by bank transfer. When you try to make a bank transfer to a person you haven't paid before, your bank will check that the same you have been give matches the name registered to that account number and sort code. If it doesn't, your bank will warn you either that the name is close match or that's totally incorrect. If this happens, double check you have the correct bank details, as this double be the sign that a scammer is trying to trick you into sending them money. For now, confirmation of pay only works for faster payments and CHAPS. It doesn't yet work for BACS. You can check if your bank is offering the scheme on the UK Finance website. Avoiding issues with the bank transfers. Double check the details. Check every figure even if your bank preloads them. It can be difficult to get your money back if you send it to the wrong account. More on this below. It can also be worthwhile making a much smaller interest payment of even or less before transferring the full amount. Get the person on the phone to repeat figures and names. If you are doing a transfer through your telephone banking service, ask the person taking your call to repeat every number and letter to know. Beware of going overdrawn. Unless you have stated a future payment date, the money will leave your account straight away. So make sure you have enough available to avoid expensive fees. Pay attention to confirmation of pay warnings. As explained above, if the name you have been given doesn't match to the name registered to those account details, you might be dealing with a scammer. Take care before making the payment. Other ways to pay. If you need to pay payment frequently, for example a monthly energy bill, you might be better off setting up a direct debit or standing order. Find out more in our guide, direct debits and standing orders. Checks can also be a useful way to send money or pay one-off bills. So for watching my more videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.